Friday, May 16th. Lots of progress. This is the week we're heading up to inspections. Mechanicals are in. We've had the electricians, they're ready for final inspection. Plumbing or pre-closure inspection. Electrician and plumbing are ready for both of those inspections. HVAC is getting real close. The structure is ready for inspection. It's finished on the outside. Very couple of small, minor, superficial trim pieces. No big deal. Kind of walk around, take a look at it today. We've got the SkyTrack stuff sitting here. Tell you what, that's a tool that you got to have for a job like this. And then it's got the man lift on the front of it, or the work platform. That's made this siding go incredibly fast as well as the frame up. And we've got my beautiful Honda Accord, the official beat-up car of Greg Manuel Custom Homes. 327,000 miles. Best car I've ever owned. Okay, so taking a look at the house. We've got, you can see some of the front details here. We've still got a couple of pieces of J-block that need installed. Front porch needs the soffit done. Patsy was up last night and again did a tremendous job on the cleanup and policing, and it's just getting worse though. Worse than that, there's more and more of it all the time. There's that huge pile of packaging material that just grows by the day. Let's see what we've got done in our mechanical room. We've had some work done in there now. Oh yeah, quite a bit. And I don't know if we've got enough light to really see much in here or not. The furnace has been set in place. This is some duct work right here. Yeah, we've got a 90, actually I think it's a 96% efficient gas forced air furnace. There's an A coil that goes on top of that furnace. That's what transfers the cold air to the air that's circulated throughout the house. And that's also the need for the furnace. You've got to have a furnace or some way to blow cool air from your central AC unit. So it's pretty cost effective to actually put a furnace in. We can see we've got all our wiring is finished up here. The service panel installation's complete. All the breakers have been installed. Nothing's active yet except for the one right down here. Everything else is still dead because they haven't had the final terminations not been put on yet. Okay, let's go on inside the house. See what's happened in here. Wow, you can see a lot of fiberglass insulation, wrap ductwork. There's ductwork in the attic space. Right up here is where we've got our cold air return and also our supply for our heated and cooled air. That's what those insulated ducts are. They're all wrapped in insulation. We can get a good look at how they put that together right here. Here's an example of what they do. All the ductwork is wrapped. This was never done years ago. Saves the energy that is put into cooling the air or heating the air. Doesn't let it emit in. And then all of this attic cavity is going to get filled with blown-in fiberglass insulation. We're going to fill it to a value of R50. So we're going to have a very energy efficient home here. 2x6 walls. R19 in the walls, R49, R50 in the ceiling. And as we walk through here, we can see some more detail of how this is working out. There's our main wire loom, the main wire run for the house, where it comes off from the service panel inside on the other side. One good suggestion we had, thanks Pete and Arlene, is go around and be sure we've got good video documentation of where all the pipes and wires are before the walls are closed in. And this will serve to do that for us right here. It's always helpful to know what's behind those walls, especially as time goes by. All right, well, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for your interest and attention. As always, we appreciate your likes, shares, comments. Please reach out if there's questions. Love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Everybody have a great day.